A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you are safe. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 3, Understanding Windows 10. In this chapter, we will learn about operating system, Microsoft Windows, desktop, icons and taskbar, components of a window. So let us start. First topic, operating system. What is the operating system? A set of programs that manage the computer hardware is called operating system. A set of programs that manage the hardware of the computer is called operating system. Or it means that an operating system that control overall working of the computer. A set of programs that control overall the activities of the computer is known as operating system. I repeat once again, a set of programs that control working operation, that control all the activities of the computer is known as operating system. An operating system works like a principal of your school, right? Understood? An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. Means operating system is a very necessary for your computer. If there is no operating system installed in your computer, then your computer cannot never open. Right? It is a software that let us communicate with the computer. It means with the help of operating system, we can communicate to the computer. Here communicate means we give instruction to the computer, and after processing, computer give output according to instruction. That is the communication, and it is possible due to the presence of operating system. Understood? Operating system act as a link between the user and the computer. Microsoft Windows, Linux and Mac OS are popular operating system used on desktop and laptop. Microsoft Windows, Linux and Mac OS are the most popular operating system that runs on a desktop, laptop, whereas Android and iOS are example of popular OS used on mobile phones. Android and iOS are operating system that runs on a mobile. Right? So I repeat once again, what is the operating system? And so an operating system is a set of programs that control overall the function, overall the activities of a computer. It is very important, it is very necessary for computer. With the help of operating system, we can interact to the computer. Function of an operating system. An operating system works like the principal of your school. As the principal has different responsibilities, different work to manage the school, like supervising student, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline, setting the examination schedule, timetable, curriculum, and attending parents and visitor, etc. Right? These are the, just like principal, operating system has so many works to manage the working of a computer. Here some example of its. Operating system controls the working of different hardware devices attached to the computer. Operating system control all the hardware attached to the computer, just like keyboard, mouse, monitor, pen drive, hard disk, and sound card, graphic cards, everything, all the hardware which is attached to the computer controlled by the operating system. It keeps track of all program on which we are working. The program on which we are work, operating system keep record of all program. It lets you create and manage files and folder for storing information in a computer. When we work, when we save any file, when we create any folder, all these records are kept by the operating system, right? Apart this, operating system has so many works, just like a device management, memory management, processor management, security, and so many works. Feature of Microsoft Windows operating system. What is a Microsoft Windows operating system? I have already told that Microsoft Windows is a popular operating system that runs on a desktop laptop. Why Microsoft Windows is most popular operating system? The reason is Microsoft Windows is GUI based OS. Full form of GUI is graphical user interface. There are two types of operating system. First, CUI based. CUI. Full form of CUI is character user interface. In this types of operating system, you can perform each and every task by command, and you should remember each command. If there is any mistake in the command, then your command cannot perform very well. So it is a very difficult to learn each and every command. But in GUI, small pictures, everything is in the form of graphics. You can click icons on the desktop, then your system, then particular program will open, yeah, or particular action can be performed. The GUI is very easy to learn and use because command, you don't need to learn command. You can just click and see the effect, see the result. It allows you to work on many programs at the same time. In GUI based operating system, you can work many programs at the same time. You can play games, you can you can draw pictures, you can play games, you can listen music, you can type at the same times. So these are the some features of the Microsoft Windows operating system. Microsoft Windows operating system is GUI based, right? It is the most important point of the Microsoft Windows operating system. Booting. What is the booting? The process of loading operating system after a computer is switched on is called booting. Means when you switch on your computer, some processing is going there. That processing is known as booting, right? The process of loading the operating system after a computer is switched on is called booting. Or you can say that when we switch on the computer, some processing is going there. That processing is known as booting, right? After booting, login screen will open. In the login screen, you can give your username and password to open computer, right? तो which screen will appear after booting? Login screen. After booting, login screen will appear. In the login screen, we can give username and password to open the computer. What is username? A username is any name created to use the computer. You can, and secure password is a secret key used along with the username. Means username and password. Why we use username and password? For security purpose. No one, if we don't want to that anyone open our computer, then we give username and password. Right? Desktop. The first screen that appears that on the monitor after the booting is known as desktop. The first screen will appear after booting on the monitor is called desktop. जब आपका सिस्टम ऑन होता है तो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन जो अपीयर होती है वो आपका डेस्कटॉप कहलाता है. राइट? द फर्स्ट स्क्रीन विल अपीयर आफ्टर द बूटिंग इज नोन एज desktop. So I repeat once again. Today I explain operating system, function of operating system, Microsoft Windows operating system, desktop and booting. Read the chapter from page number 33 to 35.